Question number 7 is 2 log x plus a is equal to log 16a to the power 6. We have to find x in terms of a. So first part is, we can write this as log x plus a. We know that m log n is equal to log m to the n to the power m, so this power will be 2, equal to log 16a to the power 6. We can take antilog, that is e to the power, or we can simply write it as x plus a square is equal to 16a to the power 6. Now we take the root of both sides. So we have x plus a is equal to 16 root is 14, 4, a power 3. So x will be 4a power 3 minus a. So x will be, we can take a common here, so this will be 4a square minus 1. So this is a 4a square minus 1 can be written as 2a square minus 1 square. So it will be a, the value of x will be a, 2a plus 1 and 2a minus 1. We have used the formula x square minus y square is equal to x minus y and x plus y. So this is 2a square minus 1 is 2a plus 1 and 2a minus 1. This is the value of x in terms of a. Now the second part is log 9y plus b base 3 minus log 2y minus b base 3 is equal to log 2. You have to find y in terms of b in a simplest form, and given that b is a positive constant. So let's say log a minus log b is equal to log a over b. So log 3 9y plus b over, so that will be 2y minus b is equal to 2. Now we have to write this 2 in the form of log base 3 of what is equal to 2. Let me give you an example. Log base 10 of 10 is equal to 1. Log 100 of base 10 is equal to 2. Log 1000 of base 10 is equal to 3. So you can see easily 10 to the power 3 is 1000, 10 is to the power 2 is 100, 10 is to the power 1 is 10, so 3 is to the power 2 is 9. So 2 can be written as log base 3, log 9 base 3. Now if we take the, now we have the same logs this side. If we take the anti-log, so this logs will disappear. So it will remain 9y plus b over 2y minus b is equal to 9. We do the cross multiplication. Let's assume at this one. So this multiplied by y will be 9y plus b is equal to 9 times 2 is 18y minus 9b. We have to make y as a subject and we have to find y. So let's take y this side. So it will become 18y minus 9y. And if we take it, so it will be 9b plus b. So 10b is equal to 18 minus 9 is 9y. So y will be 10b over 9. Question number 8 is, show that the equation cos square x is equal to 8 sin square x minus 6 sin x can be written as in the form of 3 sin x minus 1 square is equal to 2. Now here we can see that there is no, so let's convert this cos x into sin. So cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x is equal to 8 sin square x minus 6 sin x. Now 1 minus sin square x minus 8 sin square x plus 6 sin x is equal to 0. This is like terms. Minus sin square x minus 8 sin square x will be 9 sin square x plus 6 sin x, this is minus, plus 6 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0. Or we can write 9 sin square x minus 6 sin x minus 1 is equal to 0. I have changed the sign. Although there is no need, you can solve it just like that, but if you feel comfortable, that is okay. Now if you compare this equation is equal to 9a square minus 6a minus 1 is equal to 0. I have replaced sign by a. It's a quadratic equation, and 9 times 1 is 9, and 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 and 3 is 6. So this 6 I can split as 9a square. Now 6a I am writing as minus 3a and minus 3a, and minus 1 is equal to 0. I have splitted this 6 into 3a and 3a. So now first two terms I am taking 3a common. So this is 3a minus 1. Minus 1 is common. So this will be 3a. This is plus 1. So it cannot be factorized here. This I need plus 1. This is supposed to be plus 1. So let me rewrite it. Let me rewrite this one more time. So that is 9 sin square x minus 6 sin x minus 1, or I write is equal to 1. So 9 sin square x minus 6 sin x plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1. Now I have added 1 both sides. Now I can see that now this is positive. So minus, so this will be 3a minus 1. Now 3a minus 1 and 3a minus 1. So this is 3a minus 1 and 3a minus 1. Now this equation I can write as 3 sin x minus 1 square, 3a minus 1 3 is equal to 2. And you can see that is what we were supposed to prove. So in this question you have seen this 2 is giving us a hint. that we are unable to factorize this, so definitely we have to add or subtract to make it 2. So that is the first part of the question. The part B is cos square x is equal to 8 sin square x. You have to solve it. Now we have solved up to here, so now we can say that 3 sin x minus 1 is equal to root 2. That is plus minus root 2. So 3 sin x is equal to 1 plus minus root 2. So sin x is equal to 1 plus minus root 2 over 3. So x is equal to sin inverse 1 plus root 2 over 3 and sin inverse 1 minus root 2 over 3. Now we have to, so the value of x will be 53.58. This is a positive and sign is positive here and here. This angle is 53.58 and this angle is 53.58. So one value is this and one value is this minus 180. That is 126.42. 126.415. 0.415 is 0.42 up to 2 places of decimals. And this value is minus 7.936. Minus 7.936 is this value. But this, our limit is from theta is from 0 to 360. So this will be the angle. That is 360 minus this, so that will be 300. So this will be plus 360. That's how we calculate this value. And instead of writing negative 180, 0 to 180, 352 point, that is 063 is 06. So we have one value here. In the same way we have another value. This is here, so this is 180 minus this 180 plus, so this is 180 plus 7.93, so 6, so 187.93 is 0.94. So this is the solution. These are the 4 angles. The first 3 terms of a geometric sequence are 7k minus 1, 5k minus 7 and 3k plus 10. We know that if A, B, C are in geometric sequence, then we know that B square is equal to AC. So this is A, this is B, this is C. So 5k minus 7 square is equal to A is 7k minus 5 and 2k plus 10. So let's open this. So this will be 25k square plus 49 minus 5 times 7 is 35 times 2 is 70k. This is the square of 5k minus 7. Now we have to multiply 7k by 2k, that is 14k. Then 7k by 10, this is 14k square. 7k by 2k, 14k square. Now 7k by 10, that is plus 70k, minus 5 by 2k, so it is minus 10k, so resultant will be 60k, and minus 5 times 10 is minus 50, so it is 25k square minus 14k square. We take it this side, then minus 70k, this plus 60k will become minus 60k, plus 49, minus 50 will become plus 50, so is equal to 0. Now this is a like terms. 25 minus 14 is 11k square, minus 70 minus 60, same term, we add it, 70 and 30 and 130k, both are positive, so this is 99 is equal to 0. Show that 11k square minus 30k plus this, so this is the answer. Question number 2 is, part B is, given that k is not an integer, show that k. So we have to find the value of k. Now 11 times 99 is 99 times 11, and we need 130. So this is 3 times 3 is 9 times 11 times 11. 11 times 11 is 121, and 3 times 3 is 9. 121 plus 9 is 130. Right, so we can write 11k square minus 121k minus 9k plus 99 is equal to 0. This is the way we factorize it. Now here we can take 11k common. So this is k minus 11, minus 9 common, so k minus 11 is equal to 0. So this is k minus 11 and 11k minus 9 is equal to 0. So we have two values of k is equal to 11 and k is equal to 9 over 11. But it says that k is not an integer and 11 is integer. So we are not going to consider this value. We will just say k is equal to 9 over 11. The first part is evaluate the fourth term of the sequence. Fourth term is AR cube. Now our terms are 7k minus 5, 5k minus 7 and 2k minus 2k plus 10. So let's say the k is equal to, now we put the value of k, 9 over 11. So first term, that is a is equal to 7 multiply 9 over 11 minus 5. So 63 minus 55 over 11. So that is 8 over 11. Then second term, it is 5k minus 7, that is 5k is 9 over 11 minus 7. 54 minus 77 over 11. 54 minus 14 times minus 7 is, so that will be 5 times 9 is 54. So 5 minus 7 is 2. 4, 5, 6, 7, 32 over 11. So R is A2 over A1. That's how we calculate R in the geometric sequence. So 32 over 11, this is negative, over 8 over 11. 11 cancels, so this is minus 32 over 8. So that is minus 4. So A is 8 over 11 and R is negative 4. So AR cube is equal to, A is 8 over 11 and minus 4 cube. So that will be negative 516 over 11. So that is the fourth term. 512, not 6, 512. So the fourth term is negative 512 over 11. Now evaluate the sum of the first term, first 10 terms. So S8 is equal to, S10 is equal to A 1 minus R to the power N over 1 minus R. So A is 8 over 11, 1 minus 4 to the power 10 over 1 minus 4. So that is minus 152 and 520. If you use your calculator, you will get this answer. So sum of the first 10 term is minus 152250. That is the answer. Question number 10. This figure shows a sketch of part of the curve with equation y is equal to, so the equation is y is equal to 4x cube minus 30x plus 9x square minus 30x minus 8, where x is between 0.5 and 2.2. This curve has a turning point at A. Using calculus, show that the x coordinate of A is 1. So we have to show that x coordinate of A is 1. Now this is a turning point, so if it is a turning point, the dy over dx at A is 0. So dy over dx will be 4 times 3, 12x minus 1 to square, plus 9 times 2 is 18, minus 1 is x, minus 30. If it is a turning point, the dy over dx is 0. So if we simplify this, so this equation is 6 we divided by 3. 3, 3 and 3. So we have the equation 4x square plus 6x minus 10 is equal to 0. We can still simplify it by dividing by 2. So we can write it 2x square plus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. So we have to simplify this. We factorize it. 5 times 2 is 10 and 5 minus 2 is 3. So 2x square, this 3 I can write as 5 minus 2 minus 5 is equal to 0. So 2 is not common here, only x is common. So if x is common, the remaining is 2x plus 5. Now nothing is common, minus 1 is common. So 2x plus 5, that is 0. So this is x minus 1 and 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 5 over 2. Now x is in the positive side of x, so x cannot have this value. So the x is equal to 1. So that is the answer of the first part. Now second part says we can also calculate the value of y. We may need it. So let's calculate. So if at a x is equal to 1, so the y will be 4 multiply 1 cube plus 9 multiply 1 square minus 30 multiply 1 minus 8. So this is minus 38 plus 13. 38 and 13, that is minus 25. So this will be 1 and minus 25. These are the coordinates of A. The curve also crosses the y-axis Now the curve also crosses the y-axis at B. So these coordinates are 2 and 0, and these coordinates are minus 1 over 4 and 0. The finite region are shown in this bounded by the curve, the line and the x-axis. Use integration to find the area of the finite region R. We have to find this area. Now to find this area is we can find it by the integrating 4x cube plus 9x square minus 50x minus 8. That is minus 1 over 4 to 2. But we don't have this area. How will calculate this area? This seems to be a triangle. So let's find the area under the curve from this point to this point. That is minus 1 over 4 This is 1, so this is 1 up to 1. So we'll get this area by this method. So this is equal to 4x to the power 4 over 4 plus 9x cube over 3 minus 50x square over 2 minus 8x, and that is from negative 1 over 4 to 1. So if you calculate it, you put the value of x1 first, then minus 1 over 4. So you will get 20.02. So this area is 20.02 between x-axis and this. Now this is 1, this is 2, so this length is 1 and this length is 25. This is a right triangle, so this area is half, base is 1 and height is 25. So this area is 12.5. So total area is that is 20.02 plus 12.5. So that is 32.52. So this is the total area. This is the green area and this is the gray area. So total area is 32.52. So that is the end of C2. See you with a new paper. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, that is a Maths Rock, for more papers from different board to solve.